Hello student, good morning. Today we will discuss about the condition of infrastructure during British rule in chapter Indian economy during British rule. In this chapter we discuss about the condition of infrastructure during British rule. First, we know the meaning of infrastructure. What is the infrastructure? Infrastructure means those facilities or services which help directly or indirectly to the various sectors of economy or the economic development of a country. For example, transportation, communication, roads, banking, etc. During the British rule, condition of infrastructure was very poor because some efforts were made to develop basic infrastructure like roads, railways, posts and telegraphs only. While roads were built for mobilizing the army within India and to transport raw materials from the countryside to the railway station to send the Britain industry. There was an acute shortage of all-weather roads to reach out to rural areas during the rainy season. रेनी सीजन में ग्रामीण क्षेत्रों में पहुंचने के लिए कोई रोड्स का कंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं हुआ था. रेलवेज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय ब्रिटिशर्स इन इंडिया इन 1850. 1850 में ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट ने इंडिया में रेलवे स्टार्ट किया. इसके बहुत से फायदे रहे, लेकिन मेन उनका जो इंटरेस्ट था वो अपना इकोनॉमिक इंटरेस्ट अर्न करना. बट इट इज बेनिफिशियल फॉर आवर इकोनॉमी बिकॉज इट प्रोवाइडेड cheap and rapid transport system. It broke geographical and cultural barriers and promote the unity in India. It created new employment opportunities and it promoted commercialization of Indian agriculture. Next, communication. During the British rule, Britishers developed the modern system of communication. Modern system of communication. These services was to maintain law and order in the country. ये सर्विसेज जो है लॉ एंड ऑर्डर को देश के अंदर मेंटेन करने में हेल्पफुल हुई. मॉडल पोस्टल सिस्टम started in 1837. 1837 में जो है मॉडल पोस्टल सिस्टम स्टार्ट किया गया. द फर्स्ट स्टैम्प वाज रिलीज्ड इन 1852. सबसे पहला पोस्टल स्टैम्प 1852 में जारी किया गया. एंड द फर्स्ट टेलीग्राफ लाइन वाज स्टार्टेड इन 1853 इन इंडिया. Causes of infrastructural development. There were various causes for the infrastructural development during the British rule. First, main reason to serve colonial interest for British. Effective check on the vast Indian economy. Indian economy बहुत बड़ी थी, इसलिए इसको नियंत्रित करने में ये हेल्पफुल हुआ. Invest funds in India to make profits. यहाँ पर इन लोगों ने इन्वेस्ट करके ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट अर्न करके ब्रिटेन ले गए। थैंक यू।